Hi UI 100 students, I'm Dr. Belvin and I will be your UI 100 instructor this semester. I am going to provide you here with a really short video to demonstrate how to navigate the course website. This will be useful especially if you've never taken an online course before, or even if you have, at least to give you an idea as to how I organize things on my website. So I'm here at the top of the website. You can see your course here. You can see a heading that says begin course here. Students begin course here. So this is obviously where you should begin reviewing different videos and documents. I have a page with more information about me here, as well as a link to this video. You can also see that I have an outline for this video that you can kind of follow along. Every week I'll have 1 to 2 videos for you to view of me either lecturing and or going over different assignments that you'll need to complete for the week. I always provide you with an outline. It's really in your best interest though to make sure that you watch the video. I have embedded each video into YouTube, so there is a closed captioning option. You can click on the CC button if you need to see the words when I speak. Just be aware that those words aren't always correct, which is why I provide the outline, but I would really strongly encourage you to make sure that you watch the video every week, because that's where I'm going to provide really pertinent information. As you can see here on the website, you've got some contact information on me, a picture, information about my office hours. So make sure that you kind of pay close attention to that. On the right-hand side, I have a resources box. If you need technical assistance, a reminder about how this course is structured, which is in weekly modules, academic honesty policy, statement of non-discrimination, and some accommodations information. So make sure that you review all of that. I have here a heading that says tools for success, and I've got some different documents here that you probably need to spend a few minutes reviewing. The first one is called the assessment document, or the how can I get a good grade in this class. And so I would make sure that you review that information, as well as a rubric on how I'm going to score your forums and journal entries. I also have a class Twitter feed that you can click on. This feed is for all of my UI 100 sections. You can follow me on Twitter if you'd like. I will not follow you back, so you don't have to worry about that. Or you can just click on this account to see what information that I have posted. There's a link here that says class announcements. This is where I post class announcements. Whenever I post them, it should generate an email to you. So if you ever sort of wondering, oh, I know I was sent an email and I can't find it, probably best to go out and take a look here under class announcements and you could probably find it. I have the course syllabus for the class. Make sure that you review that. You are going to have a quiz over the course syllabus during the first week of class, so make sure that you are familiar with the information in this document. I also have information here on your final project. I provide that information right here at the beginning of the semester, even though you have almost all semester to work on it. I want to make sure you have that information early on. You need to make sure that you review this information carefully here in the first week or so of class. That way, if you have any questions about what it is we're going to be working on over the course of this semester, you can be sure to let me know. I'm going to scroll down here to week 1. The way that I have the week 1 block set up is how every block will be set up for you over the course of the semester. So every week you will have a heading here that says outline, objectives, and questions. And when you click on that particular week, outline and objectives, you'll see the list of objectives, all the resources that I'm providing to you on the website, a list of your assignments, and anything that just sort of says what not to forget. Whenever you go back here, then you'll see the readings, videos, and resources. These, under this heading, the information listed here, you need to make sure you review every single link that I post out there, because this is sort of your responsibility in order to stay up to date with the class. So make sure that you review all of that information. Also, before I forget, this link here that says your questions about this week's material. If you have a question about anything that's happening this week, Please feel free just to post it here. Sometimes I found that students are quicker to respond to each other than like if you were to send me an email and wait for me to respond. So if you have a general question, feel free to post it here. Chances are you're not the only one with that question. I keep a pretty close eye on these, and so I'll answer as quickly as I can. But if you see somebody in the class who posts a question and you know the answer, please feel free to go ahead and respond to that. So it's just kind of a little bit of a quicker way, maybe to get you some information. Okay, so I talked about this information, and then of course every week you will have assignments that will be due. You need to take special care to make sure you complete the assignments by the due date. I have information about that in the course syllabus, and I would strongly urge you to review that information so that you have a good understanding as to when all of the assignments are due, so that you don't miss a deadline. Okay. If you want to view your grade in the course, there is a link here that says grades. You can click on that and it will display your grade book, and that is how you can keep up to date with your grades. I mentioned the assignment information. So this is, like I said, just kind of a quick little overview of how the website is set up. If you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to let me know. I hope that you all have a great day. I'm really looking forward to spending the semester with you. All right, have a good one.